Hello and welcome to this ARTISCAN webinar and more specifically on how to ensure full machine QA in radiology, nuclear medicine and radiation oncology. It's a pleasure for me to coordinate this webinar with Julia, which is a sales engineer in charge of this ARTISCAN product, and Teriro Alliance, which is our product owner on ARTISCAN and a specialist and medical physicist. So in summary of this webinar, I will give you a very short presentation of Aquilab by Coexia, then Julia will give you more detail on ARTISCAN software, and Terry will continue with a short demo, and I will finalize with feedback from user centers. A few words from Aquilab by Coexia. So Aquilab by Coexia has been created more than 20 years ago from a technological transfer from a cancer center and university in Lille. We are still based in Lille in the north of France. We are only focused on software development in oncology, and we currently have more than 350 oncology centers installed base, with a large number of centers in France, and our ARTISCAN product is used in more than 30 countries. To continue to grow and to develop our solutions, so we joined the Coexia group in May 22, and just to give you a few elements of the Coexia group. So Coexia group is more than 1,000 employees. We have 5 locations in France and a turnover over 100 million. And it was important for you to join this company, which is specialist in IT and AI and data management. So why we choose this company is because Aquilab portfolio is focused on data, and more precisely to advanced cancer care through precise data. Today we will talk about machine QA data, so with the ARTISCAN software, but we also have tools for real-world data, patient data with the ePro platform, clinical trial data, and education data with our OncoPlace web-based application. So for today, let's focus on the machine QA and our ARTISCAN software solution, and I'm pleased to introduce Julia, who will give you an overview of this solution.
Thank you, David. So now just let's talk about the software. So ARTISCAN enables standardized and automated analysis of quality control data from various medical equipment. It ensures extensive contability and standardization of the control performed. So what's ARTISCAN philosophy? ARTISCAN is a full independent machine QA software platform. It is all-in-one solution to ensure complete inventory of machine QA. It permits to define QA protocols and tolerances for each machine. It provides also independent global traceability, even on the most diverse platform and complex technical facilities. So software is a modular solution for all modalities, including radiotherapy, radiology, nuclear medicine. It can manage a large range of machine phantoms and modalities. ARTISCAN software is a simple solution with a 4-step process. I will let you watch a short video, which will give you a better understanding of the workflow.
Welcome to ARTISCAN Machine QA, the cutting-edge solution revolutionizing quality assurance practices in medical imaging, radiotherapy, and nuclear medicine. Step into a world where precision meets efficiency With ARTISCAN, you're empowered to ensure the highest standards of quality across all your equipment. Let's embark on a journey through our 4-step solution. Step 1, define. Take control of your quality assurance process by creating a comprehensive inventory of your equipment, machines, and QA phantoms. Define QA protocols and establish related tolerance levels to align with your specific needs. Step 2, personalize. Customize your quality controls with ease. Create personalized tests tailored to your unique requirements. With ARTISCAN, flexibility is at your fingertips. Step 3, execute. Experience the power of automation as ARTISCAN performs data analysis according to your predefined QA protocols. Evaluate results effortlessly with color-coded indicators highlighting deviations from set tolerances. Step 4, follow. Gain access to results and reports via our intuitive browser interface. Track performance trends over time and make informed decisions to continuously optimize your quality assurance processes. In conclusion, ARTISCAN Machine QA is more than just a software solution. It's your partner in excellence. Join the future of quality assurance with ARTISCAN Machine QA. Elevate your standards, elevate your practice.
So, with ARTISCAN, you can simplify your control, your quality control. It's a simple automated process in 4 steps. With ARTISCAN, stay update with the latest regulation, the international one and also the French one. It is compatible with all Phantom and QC equipment, and it's a solution for all types of organization and needs. So we have 3 formula that can lead your needs: the solo one, the concerto one, and the orchestra one. So let's talk about the machine QA packs. Here are some examples of the packs we offer. Each pack includes all available tests for all supported Phantom related to the modality. So then you can see we had QA packs for radiotherapy, radiology, and nuclear medicine. ARTISCAN Advanced feature. It permits you to personalize your QA. So with Flexi QA, you can optimize your control by creating your own models, by choosing your test to be performed, optimizing your process, or define the periodicity. You can also define your own custom test and centralize all your control in a single solution. With scheduler option, plan your QA by user, equipment, or by period. You can also define your task and those of your collaborators, define email notification, and quickly approve your report. Just talk about the web report. It permits you to have a global view of QA results. On the front page, you have a global view of QA. You can select your control by date, device, or protocol. And you can also have a summary of all the control, and you can see if it's approved or not by the physicist. You can also trend analysis by parameters, and you see you have color code according to defined tolerances. In the web report, you can approve the future depending on the right assigned to each user. The validation may be carried out by a physicist, even though it's not necessary the physicist will carry out the check. You can add comments if it's required. So I'm going to hand over to my colleague Terry, who is going to make a short demonstration of the software.
Thank you, Julia. And so now I will show you what ARTISCAN will looks like in clinical routine. After logging in the software, so I have my dashboard where I can see all the tasks I need to do or what control is coming. So I just need to click on a button that will create a control from what QA test I previously chose, and then he will automatically scan the ARTISCAN server where all the images that I have pushed from the CT, from the LINAC, from the TPS, and will create my QA control from selecting my patient. He will automatically recognize the device, and then I just click on validate. So automatically all the images will be imported in the database, and then I just compute all the parameters to compute the results. So he will automatically show if I have tolerance or not. So I have some green color or red color depending if I respect the tolerance. And then of course I have also a green check when everything is okay. So at the end of the computation, I can save in the database the results, and I have the possibility to add a comment. And of course, I can check one by one if all my results is okay. So this is a simple workflow to compute the results from ARTISCAN. After that, sometimes I can need to check previous results, so I can go to the reports, where is a web app where I can see all the results I already compute. And so, of course, with the scheduler, I can see all my QA I have planned. So on the web reports, I have an overview of all the machines by selecting my machines and what protocols I need to check. So for example, I will select that one. And then I have an overview of all the controls I have done, when, who did it, and if I have tolerance, how many it's okay, how many is out of tolerance. And I also click on consult to see the reports. So I have some red color when I'm out of the tolerance, and green when everything is okay, and yellow for a warning to where I had to pay attention about it. And at the end of the reports, as a medical physicist, I can approve the reports. So also on the review, I can see who did the approval. Sometimes I would like also check the trend. So I select which one I would like to see the results over the time, and then I can see how my results is fluctuating. So this is a quick overview of what ARTISCAN can do in a clinical routine, and I will pass to David for the presentation.
Thanks a lot, Thierry, for this demo of main functionalities of ARTISCAN software. I hope that it gives you a good overview of all the possibility of the solution. I would just like to finish this webinar with some feedback from user centers. We randomly choose two feedback. One is coming from Italy in hospital in Firenze, where they use ARTISCAN software for many years now, and it was very important to note that they were very happy by the support provided by Aquilab, and it's very important to begin this QA process and to see that the system is then easy to use for them. So that's we were very happy with this feedback. The other one is coming from Romania, where also they were also very happy with the training of the company, and its software permits them to standardize our quality assurance process, and with a very good impact on efficiency and productivity on the QA process. So very happy to have this feedback from users. So after this webinar, if you need any more information, so Julia will be more than happy to be in contact with you. So you have the Julia email, but you can also scan this QR code to have all information and be able to contact her. Thanks a lot for looking at this webinar, and I wish you a very nice day. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.